Hello, this is Stephen Downs, and I think I'm streaming live. And it says excellent connection, and I see myself, and hopefully will manage to do without this 17-second live stream that we had before. So this seems to be working. I'm just going to put the YouTube over to the side and get myself set up. Just gonna toss a quick note. Oh, I should see now. This is my YouTube studio, and where's the link to this live stream? I have no idea. I don't know where it is. Okay, well, I don't know. So I'll just go to YouTube, and I'll go to my own site, my channel, and it says here I am live. I'll close that so I don't produce a bunch of echoes. I don't know if I would anyways, but alright, now let's tweet. Alright, there's the link that I got. That should all be working. So the recording started with that, so maybe it's the less than exciting recording, but that's okay. Here's what we're up to. So I communicated with MailChimp, and MailChimp told me that it couldn't send my newsletter because it was having trouble connecting to my website to get the RSS. So, okay, I believe that. I'm on shared hosting. I'm paying like, I don't know, $12 a month. So, okay, how do I fix that? Well, I went to Reclaim Cloud, and I wasn't really sure. So, cloud.reclaim.com. Which isn't it. So I see, I always forget where it is too. Reclaim Cloud. Whoops, maybe I'll try spelling that correctly. So now I'm going to try to do a bit less than a 3-hour video today too, by the way. So, okay, just reclaim.cloud is where it is. I'll log in. And so here I am logging in. This is my previously existing cloud setup, but this is what yours would look like too if you did this minus the previously running things. So still pretty dirt cheap. I mean, I've been working on this amount for months now. Okay, so what I wanted to do is just do a simple static web setup. I don't know how to do that. I don't know if it can be done with the defaults that they have, but whatever. I click on Marketplace, and here's a whole bunch of stuff that they have, and I've gone through this whole list, which is how I know I'm going to be doing cloud, their OwnCloud. So where is OwnCloud? Well, it's not on the top there. I think it's, oh no, it's in Storage and File Manager. So there's OwnCloud, and I'm just going to install it. So now if you were doing this, you would probably have to create an account, maybe seed it with $25 or something. But I already have done that, so I just immediately Marketplace, Storage and File Manager, OwnCloud, 3 clicks. And I'm picking my region as Canada, because I'm Canadian. Alright, so install. And so now I wait for a little bit, and we'll think about what OwnCloud is. So here's OwnCloud. So this is why I chose it, right? It's share files and stuff easily. So product. Let's see. Improve collaboration, be productive, work together in secure clouds, share data with it. See, it doesn't really say create a website, but okay, well, we'll set this up and then we'll see what we get. And I honestly don't know what I'm going to get. Okay, so how are we doing? Well, we're still doing stuff. As you can see here with these other tabs, I did a bit of a test run on this, so I know it's going to work, because that would make for a really bad video. Speaking of really bad videos, let's see if anyone's actually watching. Because I'm kind of curious. So we're still doing stuff. As you can see here with these other... Just me. Okay, that's fine. It doesn't matter whether people watch these videos or not, because I learn stuff when I do them. Doing it this way makes me remember more. So why not? Okay, so your OwnCloud application has been successfully deployed. Here's the admin and here's the password. Just so you know, I'll be changing this. But, okay, so I can just click on it here. Also, if I pop into my email, see, OwnCloud is up and running. MySQL node is successful because OwnCloud uses MySQL. Here's the new Reclaim Cloud environment. So, okay. So either way, I'm going to the same place. So we'll come back to the website, because I imagine that's where most people will go, but it doesn't matter. It's the same address. So I'll click on that. And it's going to take a few seconds to start up. I noticed that last time too. So, okay, admin. And the password that they gave me. Something to note. Connection is not secure. This is an HTTP, not an HTTPS. I would rather it deployed HTTPS out of the box, personally. Anyhow, put that password in, enter the password, and I'm in. Now, desktop app. In my previous attempt, I downloaded it, but I didn't install it, so I don't actually know what I'm getting. Well, actually, I didn't even get past this page, so I thought I was downloading it. Alright, let's download zip. Why did I do it like that? Why didn't I just... I don't know. Okay, let's download zip. Open with Windows Explorer. So it's going to take a couple of seconds here again, but not too bad. It's a little slower because I'm doing this whole video thing at the same time, right? So it might go a bit, might be a bit zippier for you. So extract all, and where will I extract it to? Okay, this is D. This is my data drive. Let's extract it there, and then we'll deal with that later. I might not even need all of that stuff later. Maybe I will. I don't know. You know, if I do this wrong, I can always come back to it. So, okay, that's going to be doing some stuff for a little while there. So we'll just let it do its thing. And let's come back to OwnCloud. So I've been doing that. So what have I got? Because it's installed now. So files, favorites, shared with me, shared with others, shared by link and tags and settings. So here's the documents, and this is an example open document text, which I can open with Word. And there it is. What else can I do? This is the shared all files. OwnCloud photos. There's probably some sample photos in there. Okay. Well, that's it. That's me and my OwnCloud all set up and installed. I wonder how that thing is coming along. 12% complete. Look at this. It's huge. So this isn't what I thought I was getting. OwnCloud. Was it NextCloud? Might have been, eh? Yeah, this is the open source version of OwnCloud. Is NextCloud. So, I don't even want to be running OwnCloud. I don't think. I think there were, because, well, I don't know. I just don't. It wasn't a choice to do anything else. So let's close this little box thing. This was the only choice. NextCloud wasn't an option. I mean, OwnCloud's fine. Okay, NextCloud, but there was other stuff in NextCloud. Well, I'll do that as a separate video. I'll just stay with OwnCloud for now and come back to this. Yeah, so here's my OwnCloud. See, it's in the cloud environment, and inside we've got an application server, which is Apache, which is just your standard web server, so good. Deployment. Okay, well, that's the deployment of Apache, right? So, and then SQL databases, which is MySQL. So, and this is running also PHP. So, okay, that's the URL. So, this is also the thing with this cloud hosting service. Like, it doesn't look like there's anything there. But now if I hover over this, see, I can open this in a browser. I can open this in a browser. So what happens if I just open, I get the OwnCloud, right, index.php, right? So I just get that. Add-ons. Add-ons. Are there any add-ons for this? No, but there are add-ons for the Apache. So let's see what we've got. Oh, look at this. FTP. Let's install that. Install. All right. So that's being installed. Now you might ask, why would I want FTP? Well, I can access FTP using external script or right from my desktop. So that would allow me to upload files directly. Do I need to upload files directly? Well, probably not, since I have OwnCloud. But, okay, NextCloud. Back to my OwnCloud. All right. Yeah, I'm just going to close some of these previous things to avoid confusing myself. My FTP application has been successfully deployed. So, cool. So, how I use that is I have an FTP client. It's called WinSCP. Costs a couple of dollars, but it's cheap. So maybe I have an email FTP. There we go. That's nice. So, okay, the IP is this. So I'll copy that. Control C copies that. So I'll put that into host name. And the login is that. JElastic, which is the type of server setup that they use at Reclaim. And the password. Again, I can change all of these, or I might just wipe out this whole thing. You don't know, do you? Log in. Okay. And right, so it did not like that because I went with SFTP, and really, again, we noted before it's not secure, right? So here's the password again. Login again. And probably doesn't matter whether there's a space there or not, but maybe it does. Public IP, catch that, put that in. Okay. Regular FTP, no encryption, not really that safe. And we're in. So here's the web root. And so this index.php would be the file that's running the OwnCloud server. And if I looked at it, let's have a peek at it. All right. There's the OwnCloud and all the OwnCloud code, which I don't need to mess with because I'm not really a PHP person, but it's nice to know where it is if I wanted to make some changes. And we have also index.html. So let's come back to my OwnCloud installation application server. I could use either of these. It will take me to the same place. We'll open it in the browser. So that's the login. But let's suppose I just went to the index.html web page. Oh, it's still going to redirect me there. All right. So, but I can change that, right? I'll just copy that over. Whoops. Come on. We'll just copy that over here. And we'll edit it. Right, you see, it's window location, it's redirecting, right? So I'll remove that. Actually, I'll just comment it out. That might be a bit safer to do. Yeah. All right, and then it can just do whatever it wants. And there. So now I've changed this so it won't automatically redirect to this opening thing. You know, I mean, that would be really inconvenient, I think, for most people, but so what? It's my website. I can do what I want. Index.html. Oh, you silly thing. Why did it do that? It shouldn't have. Did it reject my upload? No. It allowed my upload. Alright, I'm going to hit Shift. You can't see it, but Shift Enter to force it. No. No, I don't. Well, I don't know what's going on. It shouldn't be redirecting me if I've changed that. So let's delete this and see what we get. All right. You're gonna be like that. I'll just delete you. Yeah, so there's something catching it. and overriding it probably in the web server configuration. So, all right, let's call this something different then. Save as. Save. Oh, silly thing. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's just send harvester.html to here. And let's see if at least I can have other pages that don't redirect. Ooh, okay. That was totally not expected, but I'll authorize it. Appdiagrams.net. Now that might have been in the Harvester page that I sent, but I don't think it was. Oh, it was. Okay, draw.io. I don't know why I called that file Harvester. That was pretty silly. Well, let's see what this does. So this is, yeah. Oh, that's why I called it Harvester. It's a drawing of the harvester that I created a while back. So here's the page. So obviously this page is working perfectly. I'm using an external app called diagrams.net. I can save this, I guess, locally, or to OneDrive or Google Drive. I don't know if I'm set up for that yet, but let's go back to our download. See how that's doing. That was, where was that? Now I'm lost. Oh, right. Okay, so it should have downloaded here. Right, no, it was installing an application, wasn't it? Did it finish installing an application? Application verifier. Windows App Certification Kit. What? No. This is all the stuff that I've done recently. So, nope. I'm sure I was doing it somewhere. Okay. All right, I was here we go. It's in here. And it's preventing me from copying the file. Path too long. And it wants to download a PHP maintenance schedule file to the computer. Okay, that's actually a bit squiffy, if you ask me. So I'll cancel that. So, right, yeah, okay, the desktop client is a whole PHP application. Really? Okay. So is there a README? No, but there's an index. So I'll open it with Firefox, and it produces gibberish. Console.php. Okay, you get just the PHP file. Well, yeah, I mean, it shouldn't run locally. Here we go, README. Let's see what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, guys, this is really helpful. yeah, you have to go through a whole install process, etc. I don't feel like doing that. So let's OwnCloud complete. It's PC documents. And let's delete that. And we just won't use a desktop client for OwnCloud. I guess it was to install the whole server setup to my desktop, and I don't really feel like doing that. Okay. So let's come back here. So this is, again, totally unrelated to OwnCloud. This is app.diagrams.net, and this is something that I actually created a while back on this. So now I'm going to try to save this, save as. Let's see if, yeah, that's OneDrive, right? Yeah, OwnCloud is not. I was confusing OneDrive and OwnCloud. So OwnDrive isn't a choice. I can save it to GitHub. I can save it to device, like say this computer. Yeah, probably. And it wants me to have the desktop version too. Okay. Leave page. Leave page. I consider this a bit of a bust. You know, it's I mean, it lets me make a web page. I guess that's a good thing. And it lets me upload files. I guess that's a good thing. What other add-ons were there? Content Delivery Network, CDN. That's encrypt free SSL. I like that. So that would allow me to set up OwnCloud as SSL, I think. So let's install this. Package being installed. Notice I barely even read the instructions, right? Wonder if anyone's watching this video yet. Nope. Just me. Package is being installed. I wonder if I got more email. New app. Alright, so that's diagrams.net that I connected to my Microsoft OneDrive account. That's right. So now I can save from diagrams.net. I should have done a video on that. That would have been much better. And that's it for now. Still configuring. Still configuring. But you see, that's what would have been nice, is to be able to just fire up like an Apache website with SQL and not even worry about all the OwnCloud stuff. Alright, let's encrypt free SSL has been successfully installed. Okay. And I can also configure it, or, okay, close. It sent me email. Okay, and it might tell me how to do things. Alright, yeah, okay, so the way this works is it creates a certificate. It's valid for 90 days. It'll automatically request the certificate update. It'll do that all by itself. So it just cycles and cycles. I have this on some other sites, and you just get an email saying, you know, we updated your Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Now, I'd probably get a warning type message if I try to access this, but let's try. So open in browser. Let's actually try OwnCloud. All right. So let's try HTTPS. Yeah, you see, this is because it's a temporary certificate. So, but I can pop through that, accept the risk, and continue. It's my own site, so I'm sure I'm fine. There we go. Now I'm HTTPS. I'm still getting this, right, because I accepted the risk to continue, but it is HTTPS. So, right. All right, that was admin. And then some password, which I've forgotten. I wonder if it might remember it from before. No. Okay, so we'll go back to OwnCloud is up and running. Here's the password, which I still haven't changed, right? Because I'm terrible. Okay, and we'll come back here. Password. All right. And we'll go. Okay, and now we're in HTTPS. Although again, it doesn't like it because it's just temporary. Right. It says I am not securely connected. I think I am, but I might not be. But I'm in shared links. Right. So if I share a file with someone, so let's see one of my files. Oh, yeah, here we go. Right. This is the idea. Okay. So let's do images. It's a bit easier. So I'll go to photos. I'll go to this photo. Now I can check this, and no, it's just the option to delete. But here's this. Look at that. Okay. So sharing, share with users, groups, user, or public link. Create a public link. Okay. Download and view. I can also put a password and an expiration on it. Now I'll share it. So, and social share if I wanted. Don't think this is one of my photos, so I don't think I'll socially share, but what would it connect to here? Twitter, Facebook, boo. Diaspora, nice. Google Plus, and email. Okay. So now, here's my shared by link, and there's the file itself, but let's get the link. Private link, only people who have this. Sure. Public link. Copy to clipboard. So let's look at that public link. See, HTTPS, index.php, and then the whole share thing. Now, anyone else I gave that to, because of the HTTPS and the way Let's Encrypt is set up, they're going to get that warning. So I'm not set to go yet, right? So, okay. This is nice. And the nice thing, too, is because it's the cloud. I can come back here and I can stop it, right? So now I'm stopping it, and that means none of these links are going to work anymore. See? Now it's stopped. But then if I started it up again, all the stuff that I wanted would still be there because it's running in its own web environment. All the files are still there. I don't know if I'll keep using this. It's not really what I wanted. Well, there's more add-ons. Oh well, too late. So, yeah, I'll close off this video here and go back to the starting block again to do what I thought I was doing when I